in your day-to-day activities, what are some of the things that are really risky? Hey, what's up? It's Ryan with Smith & Sons Insurance Agency, where we are on a mission to transform the way individuals, families, and small business owners secure financial stability. Today, I want to talk to you about personal risk management. Now, risk management is really a term you hear more in commercial insurance or when businesses are contemplating all the different risks and possible losses that could occur in their operations to their building or with their products or to their employees. Risk management is the process of identifying and analyzing risks and then coming up with a plan or strategy to mitigate or transfer some of that risk. So I don't want to get too deep into that, but do want to talk about how this relates to a regular, everyday situation for someone outside of a business. So say you're driving down the street, going to get a coffee, or maybe you are doing your grocery shopping, going to the park or the gym for some exercise. There are a lot of uncertain possible losses that could occur in any of those things. Everything you do all day long, we take for granted some of the possible things that could happen. Now, that happens over time with just being used to our schedules, but you should have this conversation with your insurance agent about what happens if this happens. How does my policy react if this unlikely thing were to happen? How am I going to manage that piece of my life? How am I going to manage the ramifications of that type of loss? Is it covered by my insurance? Is it something I could put some sort of preventive maintenance in place to make sure that that doesn't happen? That's what we're talking about with personal risk management. And there's a lot of strategies out there when it comes to dealing with that, especially how it aligns with your insurance policy. Insurance is just a piece of the risk management process. And we'd love to have that conversation with you. So if you're interested in that, leave us a comment here on this video. Find us on Facebook or Instagram or visit our website. All of that should be in the description of this video. And maybe even just give us a call. Our number will be there as well. Again, my name is Ryan with Smith & Sons Insurance Agency, and I appreciate you watching this video.